Greetings from Maze People Tea. Today we are going to learn how to add inclusive pricing in eCab Taxi Booking Manager. If you apply the inclusive settings from your eCab plugin, it will apply in all your pricing models. You will see your taxi cab in all the pricing models. For example, right now we are checking the transport as distance. So if you give your pickup date, pickup time, and pickup location and drop off location, you will find your car on the booking. Well, you can see that we have selected inclusive as BMW, and you can see that it's applied in all the pricing model. This is the fixed hourly model, and then this is the transport booking for manual. So you can see that all pricing model has the same car. So this is what inclusive settings appear on. So let's try out how this pricing model works. So go to your selected car and go and there choose the pricing tab. Now let's find out what are the settings we need to apply for inclusive. First of all, you can see there is initial price, minimum price, return minimum price, then the discount which is already applied here, then your waiting time, pricing based on inclusive. Well, you can also change it to different pricing model, but for now, as we are using inclusive, it will apply on everywhere on your pricing model. Well, let's go to other transportation. Well, you can see that most other transportation has the same distance as Google Map here. So let's check out how this inclusive is working. As we already know, it is already in the inclusive format. Let's check out if it is working perfectly or not. So right now we're in the transport booking as distance as Google Maps. So we are going to select a pickup date, then pickup time and pickup location and drop off location. All right. Now click search. Well, you can see all the cars are appearing here, even the one with the inclusive settings. So we have already selected inclusive for this BMW car and it is appearing here, although it is not selected as distance as Google Maps. Now let's try out another one. Okay, transport booking on fixed hourly. Okay, we will again select the date, time, pickup location, drop off location. Then select hour as 3 hours and click search, as it is already hourly. Well, you can see we have selected 3 hours and our hourly price is $10 per hour, so it is 30. Now let's try out how this works on the manual transport booking. So select your transport booking manual tab and now select the pickup date, pickup time, pickup location and drop off location. And you have selected one way. So you can see only the BMW car is appearing here, as we have selected the amount 600. So thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like us.